The National Drug Authority has issued tough guidelines on drug shops currently operating in Kampala. Starting next year, 2019, the authority will not renew licenses to drug shops apart from those willing to relocate them outside Kampala.
We are giving them a 1-year grace period as is provided again under the law. So we are taking this 1 year to be 2018, during which we shall sensitize drug shop operators and we shall encourage them to move out into the peripheral areas. But in 2019, in this particular area, which is already well served with pharmacies, you will not be able to get a license in this particular area. And actually the law went ahead to give them options. Either they are to move to underserved areas, or else they can apply that their business can become a pharmacy business if they meet all the requirements.
The move, according to the authority, is aimed at extending health services closer to those in rural areas.
So we are encouraging drug shop owners, because of the limited range of medicines that they can anyway offer under the law, to move out to areas where there are no pharmacies because there is a need, and then they can provide a service which is not there and that is required by the population.
The decision has called the operators unaware. In an attempt to seek their views about the directive on their businesses, many of them operating in the city suburb of Namuwongo declined to speak on camera. However, we were able to capture some of their views secretly.
Except what I heard, what they told us, like, if you are a midwife, you are not supposed to run a drug shop. Kati, if they tell me that now this is the last license, like we should go outside, because I'm very sure that this license is not going to operate in Watuso. It's not going to.
This directive will also apply to all municipalities. It's only pharmacies that will be allowed to operate in the city and municipalities.
Those are the ones which are within 1.5 kilometers from existing pharmacies. Those will be phased out, not only in Kampala, but also in other municipalities. But of course, we encourage them to move into those underserved areas where there are no pharmacies. Why do we do this? We do this because where the pharmacy is, it provides a comprehensive service and it talks all the classes of drugs from class A, B, and C. So when a pharmacy comes in, we do not need the drug shop. A drug shop is just a stopgap measure.
The authority will also give out incentives to pharmacies willing to operate in rural areas.
Charge more. We charge more, for example, in Kampala, you find you are charging, let's say, if you are charging 1 million as a fee, you'll find that if you go in other small areas, the fees are lower. So that one has encouraged it. Already there is a movement from the big cities and municipalities to small towns with some of these incentives that we are giving.
Following the public outcry from the cattle tick affected areas, the authority is advising cattle keepers to start using 3 lines of acaricides to kill ticks that have become resistant to the existing drugs.
Epinomectin is an acaricide that has been authorized for use or recommended for use by the committee. We have Vectoclo and we have Bantic.
Jingo Francis, NTV.